Engineering is when nuts and bolts meet innovation. Welcome to Brandted's Talk podcast, and today we're in conversation with Mr. Kirit, the chairman and MD, and Mr. Jalan of Gala Precision Engineering. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining in, and heartiest congratulations for the big milestone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, Mr. Kirit, how has been your journey, and what inspired you to start?
So basically, I am a second generation entrepreneur, and so this business was a very small business when I joined.
Sure.
And I studied in US for about 1 year. I was working on my PhD in marketing, and when I came back, I developed a vision that why is India not known in the global market like in Europe or US, and why is so much difference in the quality? So that drove me to understand the business fundamentals and apply that to technology and products, precision and finishing.
Sure.
That's how this business model developed. That if you want to develop world-class products, the culture has to start from the top.
Absolutely.
And hence, from day one, we worked on systems, we worked on consistent quality, no compromise ever on customer satisfaction. These were our mantras to drive this business, and we became very successful in Europe and a lot in US as well. And we compete mainly with European companies.
Okay.
And in fact, you will be surprised, we supplied to China in competition to Germany. So we don't compete with Chinese at all.
Oh my
So that's, I think, it was a big reward for, this kind of commitment.
That's very inspiring to know.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Jalan, talk to us about the issue. It's about 167 overall size
Correct.
crores.
Yeah.
So, can you give details of the?
Yeah, so on a upper cap of 529, the issue size is going to be 168 crore.
Okay.
And we will be having a offer for sale where will be 32 crore will be raised again for the offer for sale, and fresh equity 135 crore. And for the 135 crore, we'll be using 37 crore for our Chennai plant, which we are putting for fasteners and high tensile bolts and manufacturing. 11 crore we will be using for our VADA capex for incremental capacity expansion. And 46 crore will be using for repayment of term loan and working capital facilities. Some money we will keep as a general corpus fund, which will be utilized for market development, product development, and some contingencies and all.
Sure. So, after the listing, what will be the market cap of the company?
It is going to be an upper cap. It's going to be 670 crore.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Kirit, how are you leveraging technology for expansion?
So basically, what is technology? Technology is the process excellence.
Right.
And the culture of the organization to make sure that each micron is, consistently developed correctly.
Mm-hmm.
So what leveraging means, you talk to any of our 175 customers, they will swear by Gala name saying that, okay, repeat orders, new product development in terms of, India mein ekdam precision kaam karna, let's go to Gala. So that's automatic leverage. I don't leverage actually. Your core is so strong that it is automatically leveraged by customers.
Wonderful. Can you share some global trends? And how big is the market size?
Oh, that is fantastic. So basically, if you look at fasteners market, it is a 100 billion market.
Right.
And we entered about 6 years back. As I said, one of our wind turbine manufacturing customer, Vestas, which is number one wind turbine manufacturer in the world,
Sure.
to which we were supplying springs, they told us to develop fasteners as an import substitute.
Wow.
And now we are one of the major suppliers to fasteners to them.
Okay.
Now, this is a large market opportunity, and I'm so happy that we are supplying to applications like wind turbines. So, we are contributing to sustainability.
Right. I believe in hydro as well.
And hydro turbines as well, we supply. That's correct.
Okay. And talk to us about your leadership mantra. What are the nuts and bolts of leadership?
I think very fundamental is very genuine, commitment to what you do, sincerity, and concern for environment, concern for society. All this is, when imbibed, it becomes a package, which you exuberate. It's not about this way or that way. It's about your overall personality. That is how the culture is developed. And so I don't, come up with any leadership mantra as such. I say you just be genuine, just be concerned, just be quality conscious, customer oriented. That's it.
Super. So, Mr. Jalan, what's been your secret sauce of success?
Yeah, so I learned a lot from Kirit Gala when I joined, and one of the reason of joining Kirit Gala almost 25 years back was his passion, his open and transparency, and so I love. Basically, I'm chartered accountant, but by passion now I'm engineer. That's how I call myself. I love in working in different technology, process improvement, lean manufacturing, and developing and setting these systems. And we have SAP system. We have a good structure. So these always my learning. Ki, if you have to grow, then you have to create that type of system structure, some policy, ethics. So then you can grow fast. So we have that basic fundamentals in place.
Wonderful. So, Mr. Kirit, your final words for New Age India, the budding entrepreneurs.
First of all, I think we are extremely fortunate to be in India today and one of the fastest growing countries. But more importantly, I think we have some natural advantages. The cost advantage, the quality of engineers here is mind blowing. So the way we excelled in IT, we are going to excel in various fields now, whether it is artificial intelligence, whether it is precision engineering. So, it's a huge opportunity, and the leadership at the center also is right now very good to develop these opportunities into monetary benefits as well as social benefits.
We are witnessing and being part of the Ambedkar.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Pleasure talking to
Very
you.
nice.
Good luck for
Thank you
that.
so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pleasure
Thanks.
talking.
Thank you.
So much.